everybody? Live Life NVX here, back with a quick video for y'all today. Today I'm be just showing y'all how to get these free drum kits, 808s, sample kits and everything that I found. This is gonna be a real quick video. So yeah, I will have a link in the description below. But if y'all just want to go ahead and watch how I install them, that way y'all can know how to get them. Then y'all can go ahead and stay for the video and watch. But if you already know how, then you know what I'm saying, you can just go to the link and get the, um, the free kits and everything. Well, yeah, and I do want to let y'all know it's like over 10,000 different drum kits and everything y'all send for yourself. You know what I'm saying? Drum kits, loops, everything. I'm gonna get these 808s. Y'all be able to get these 808s too, but like I said, I will have the description below. You will need WinWare to go ahead and get those. I'm gonna show y'all a real simple way to do this. No, we ain't gonna do it like that. Let me just go ahead, copy that link to it. Right click, open container folder, and these drum kits will work with any DAW. I'm gonna move this to my Spur drive, to the downloads. Okay, so I must already got it, so let's look. So basically when you do it, you just boom, extract to 808 samples. When you do that, yes, I'll just redo it. Extract to 808 samples. It'll create a folder. Click on it and actually just take this whole folder. Boom, 808 samples. Copy it. And then just go ahead and move it to, we're gonna put it in the program file. Actually, no. Let's go back. Program file times 86. Go down to image line or whatever DAW you got. FL Studio 20 data. Then just go to, actually, let's go back. Let's see, where do I have it in there? Yeah. Then find patches. And then right click, paste. Then once you paste it, it'll have 808 samples right here. Yeah, boom. Here got the right one. 808 samples. Boom. So when you go, once you paste it right there, just pull open FL Studio. Um, and you should just type in what the name of it, 808 samples. And it should locate that folder. It's actually right here. Y'all see it, 808 samples 2 and then 808 samples. And like I said, if y'all want to go ahead and get them other drum kits, just scroll down. Then here they all go. 5,000 free loops, 3 gigabytes of free drum samples, loops, kids or everything. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seeing right here 650 free drum samples, and these are totally free and legit. So they just give them to us free hip hop makers. But like I said, I will have that link in the description below. So I live life NVH. God first. I'm out.